Clearview Home Services was started in September of 1988. I was a very young man, I was 20 years old. In the first 3 months, we generated over 300 brand new customers that we took care of, washing their windows, cleaning their screens, and to this day, we still have a number of those original customers, and we have moved on to wash windows and clean gutters and pressure wash for their children, and even for some of their grandchildren. We're not there just to get in there, do it as fast as we can, and get out of there. We want you to have a great experience, and that includes taking care of, any extras that you need while we're there. Roof health is very important. When you have a duroid or fiberglass shingle roof, or you have a concrete tile roof, you're often going to notice that it starts to get the black streaks on it, and then it starts to get the algae on it, and then you start getting these moss balls, and along the edge of all the shingles and tiles, you're going to start seeing moss growing there, thick moss. If you're at the point where you have thick moss on there, definitely what you need is a roof wash. And the way that we do that is we soft wash it. So we spray it with a disinfectant that's going to eliminate all that moss, algae, and fungus. We're not just going to move it and push it away with water and so it grows it back somewhere else. We're actually going to kill it and eliminate it. We do it with biodegradable products. By the time we're done, it's all diluted down to just basically salt and saline. So it's not going to hurt your plants or the animals or people or anything like that. But your roof is going to be back to as close to its original health as it's ever going to be. After 3 years, we have a maintenance program that we institute that we recommend you getting an algae treatment that's going to continue to protect your roof year after year, so you never get back to where you have to have it washed. Washing it should only ever be done once. If you're not quite at that point where you have all this thick and heavy moss, it's worth us maybe taking a look, because you may be able to get away with just the algae treatment to begin with, especially if your house is within its first 5 or 6 years, or your roof is within its first 5 or 6 years of life. With an algae treatment done at the right time, it will eliminate, again, all that moss, algae, fungus, and the stains that are on your roof. And again, regular maintenance, just like everything else, every 3 years, we make sure that that's taken care of, and your roof will last its lifetime like it should. If you're looking for spring cleaning and you need to have it all done, we can give you a quote that's going to include all the services that you're looking for. And if you book 2 services together, let's say you want to get your windows washed, but you also want to have your screens cleaned, we're going to give you 5% discount on that. Any 2 of our services that you bundle together, we're going to give you a discount. You bundle any 3 together, we're going to give you 10% off that entire package. And 4 or more, we're going to call that a full package discount, because we don't have to drive and we don't have to travel and we only have to do one setup. We're going to give you 15% discount on that entire package. Through our website, we have one calculator there that you can tick off all the items that you're interested in. It's going to give you a quick 1, maximum 2-minute interview, asking you some easy questions about your house, at the end of which it's going to be able to give you those prices with the discounts already included. Once you've actually got the quote right there in your hand, the only thing you have to do is hit the confirm button. Your information will get sent to us, and we will contact you and set up a time and answer any questions that you have about our services and come out and take care of the work. This year, Clearview Home Services is introducing our new subscription services. This allows you to plan out your maintenance services as much as 2 and 3 years into the future. We'll give up to a 15% discount for our customers who want to sign up for a 2 to 3 year service term. This program will really assist in budgeting the maintenance that needs to be done at your home by breaking it up into a simple monthly payment that comes off on your credit card. We simply ask for 20% down, and then we give you a discount on the entire package. If at the last minute you have a barbecue or something come up, some families coming to town unexpectedly, you get priority scheduling for the services that you need done in preparation for those events. So to get your free online quote, just click here.